Hi, it's Renee and welcome to my YouTube video. Today's review is on this it's an air pump for the garbage disposal system. This piece has, this bag's got the trigger, the air hose, and the nut to attach the air hose.
No.
This is the piece that has the trigger that you would put on your counter or in your counter or mount it to a wall or anything like that. It's got the screws, the hardware for installation, and then it's got, of course, your little power box. It's got the plug in the power box. You can't really see it that well. It's got the plug in there to plug in your garbage disposal. It's got the air hose connection, and then of course the power connection. And so unfortunately I don't have a garbage disposal yet. Hubby's still working on that one for me. So this will come in handy eventually, but not just yet. I will place the link below the video. If you're interested, please click the link below. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, send me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks. Have a great day.